wages of sin is death, and we not finish yet. Come on, on for greatness, long before Guinness met.
Hi my natural beauties, welcome back to another video, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. So it's really late, pardon me talking so low, but everybody's asleep and I'm trying to make this video a little bit personal. So I decided that I didn't want to do a voiceover for this video because I just didn't want to do a voiceover. So tonight I'm going to be installing some FAUX LOCS, and I wanted to show you guys because you guys always have like 1,000,001 questions about my locks and you know just how I do them and all kind of thing. Now keep in mind my technique varies. This is just one of the many ways you can install my locks. Installing my locks kind of depends on the hair type that the particular person has in relation to the locks that they're going to be installing. Now keep in mind guys, my locks are my only source of income. I don't have like another job, like that's my main job. That's my thing, okay? So with that being said, I will not be giving you guys my actual technique, like everything that I do, because it really just it makes no sense to me. You guys always ask me, and I'm thinking of a nice way to say it, so to speak. There are like 1,000,000 techniques on YouTube that you guys can search up and look up and you know learn and just tweak it to make it your own. I literally sat and came up with my method, so I'm not going to be like sharing it just because that really would not be smart. And literally every day there's a new FAUX LOCS technique, so it really doesn't even matter at this point. However, I'll still be keeping my technique close to my vest because it's my technique. Okay, but I did want to share with you guys how I went ahead and installed these locks, and yeah. Okay, so my hair is growing back. If you guys remember, you know that I have cut it a couple times, and in the process of taking out my FAUX LOCS, sometimes, especially when I'm doing it by myself, I tend to cut, you know, sections of my hair, but you know, it's hair, it will grow back, right? These are really big. Let me show y'all. Now these are some medium to jumbo Nubian locks, right? Now you guys always see I put in my description that the Nubian locks kits will be available. They're available for order, but the issue I'm having is with packaging, but I'm pretty sure by the time you guys are ready to order these, they will be ready. Okay, for now I'm only taking payments via PayPal or like some type of direct transfer. If you're in Jamaica, it's no big deal, we can figure it out, but internationally only PayPal for now. The length of these ranges from 16 to 22 inches, I believe, because I wanted somewhat of a layered look. So I'm trying this ombre color for like the first time. I've done this in a wig before, but not in FAUX LOCS, so this should be fun. Whenever I do like a bigger size, it's always less locks, right? Because obviously you don't want this big bulk, this big mass by your head card. That doesn't make no sense. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair, and then I will be back to show you guys how I install these babies.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. I when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Okay, so for my sections, I am doing free parting. I really don't care. I don't like neat installs. I stress this over and over on myself. I don't like when installs are too neat. It just feels wrong. It just defeats the whole purpose of the Rasta lock vibe. So to avoid that, I'm just going to free part. And as I said, I have 40 locks in total, but I really do not intend to use the whole 40. Now you guys will see me using the comb here. Believe me, I'm not going to be using the comb for long. I just want this part of my hair, like the perimeter section of my head, I want to be a little bit smaller because I hate seeing that space, the perimeter look. Totally ugly. So I'm going to be doing this kind of fuller at the front and at the back, right? And in the middle. There are 3 critical points where they're putting in the FAUX LOCS that need to be full. The perimeter, the back, so that when you put it into a ponytail it looks cute, and the middle where your crown begins, right there. So anyways, I'm going to section off this part And my sections, I'm going to just twist my sections out. You know, and one twist will represent one lock. Now it can be a rope twist or a regular twist, doesn't really matter. That part is totally up to you. I'm gonna take some of my ocean. Everybody call it different things, but you know. Before I do the ocean, I'm going to be doing the castor oil treatment with Jamaican black castor oil in it from FAUX Jamaican Beauty Systems. Guys, there's a whole plan for you guys coming with this. Like, y'all don't even know, but I've been using this and I've been loving it. So I'm going to be taking some of this just to moisturize each section. Just to moisturize each section. No, I won't be keeping this installed in for too long, so it's no big deal. But whenever you're gonna do a protective style, always be sure to moisturize. So I just put some of the wax on there because I like how it makes the hair lace. And then I'm just going to braid my roots. And just twist my hair. And this is the size of the twist, as you guys can see. Nothing fancy. So I'm just going to get all of my twists in and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm all twisted up. I have 34 twists in all on my head. Right, no, they're relatively huge because I did not want to have like that many locks on my head. And you guys know this is my thin side. This is the side that's a little bit receded, so I didn't want to put too much pressure on it. And then at the same time I just wanted the parts to kind of make sense, you know what I mean? So this is similar to my gypsy lock install, if you guys know my gypsy locks. By the way, if anything that I'm saying right now does not make sense, be sure to go on over to my Instagram. The link is going to be in the description bar below. Click the link, check out all the different type of faux lock styles that I do. If you're in Jamaica, book an appointment, okay? You will not regret it. The styles last, ouch, the styles last 6 months. I say 6 months tops, but nobody listens to me. They last people for a year, and that's safely. You can comb whatever mat you have under there, you can comb it out safely within a year. So, you know, it can last you anywhere from 3, 4, 5, 6 months up to a year. But my max is 6 months, alright? If you want to at least not have that hard of a time taking them back out. So I have 34 twists on my head. No particular parting structure or nothing. I just made sure I kind of like put a decent amount up here because I hate seeing spacey locks. Like, I absolutely hate seeing spacey locks. And this twist is unraveling, but no big deal. I don't know why, guys. Am I the only person? The front of my hair is so freaking straight. Like, no matter what, every time I cut it and it grows back, this part goes back straight. I don't understand. I don't know. If anybody has a solution or can tell me what the issue is, please let me know. This part, it always goes back straight. Anyways, so I'm going to start installing, and I'm going to install and come up. When I get to the crown of my head, I'm going to show you guys what I do. Okay, so as I told you guys, I have locks that range from 16 to 22 inches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the longer lengths. I kind of mix up my my lengths when I'm doing installs because I like more of a layered type of look. So whatever I'll put in like the shorter ones, right? So I'll put the shorter length at the back so that it falls, you know, not too long down there, so that when you get to the top, the longer lengths can fall with the shorter length that you put in the back, if you understand what I'm saying. No, I usually save some of my medium lengths to go here so that they can be a little bit shorter and frame the face. So that's what I normally do. So I'm going to do is I'm going to install up to here, and when I get to this part, I'll show you guys how I put these in. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm almost done. Alright, I'm almost done. Majority of my locks are in. I only have 2 left, and these are the 2 that I saved to show you guys. Alright. So this is how we're looking, and these are the 2 that are left. So I'm gonna secure one out the way, somewhere over here. Okay, so I am right-handed. It's a little bit awkward to wrap in one of the directions. I'm not sure which one. So I'm gonna try to make it work. Alright, so I'm gonna get my lock. Push the crochet needle through the loop of the lock, like so. All my locks come with a loop, just like regular locks that you guys buy in the stores, right? So I'm going to pull my hair through the lock, the loop, right? And this is how that looks. So then I'm gonna fold this hair back up and wrap it up. Like that. Then I'm going to take a piece of the hair and wrap it around my hair to secure it and camouflage it. So I'm just wrapping. You want to make sure that the base of it is wrapped tight enough, but not where it's like pulling on your own hair. And you just wrap until there is no more hair to wrap. Even the little stringy pieces, guys, be sure to wrap them out, because if not, it's going to unravel. So you just find hair to wrap and wrap and wrap, and this is it. Alright, so one lock down, the last one to go. So we're gonna go through the process again. I got my lock, pushing this through, carrying my hair through the root of the lock like this, and I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I'm using in a second, but hold on. Kind of want to fluff it out so that when you're covering the hair, you cover the hair properly. Kind of wrapping it kind of flat. So after attaching the lock, you just wrap the hair back up, hold it in place, and then use your piece of hair to cover your own hair like this. Now I was originally going for something kind of messier than this, so I'm trying not to wrap too neat. I'm wrapping kind of wild, if you guys get what I'm saying. And that's it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go over some of the locks with additional hair, so that I have like the look that I was originally going for, which is something kind of messy, just, you know, like, y'all know how I do. I just don't feel like it's me yet, so this is me customizing my faux lock install, which I do believe is necessary, because you want it to kind of take on your personality as much as possible, you know. This is what I never get about lace fronts, because with lace fronts everybody looks the exact same, no lie. So so I'm kind of setting the hair how I want it to look, which is I like my hair swooped this way, and this is exactly what I was going for in terms of volume, because I did not want the bulk. Like, I just really didn't want the bulk. I love it. I love it.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right.
Stay a little bit to it. I need you to stay right there. Okay. And I kind of did lay my baby hairs before this video. Just kind of playing with it to see how I like it. Making sure all my twists are covered. Yeah. But this is it. Alright guys, so this is the hair that I was using just now. It's the African Kinky bulk. I use this because it's like close enough to like a natural texture, so it kind of camouflages your hair really great. So this is a very good buy. This is the finished look. And if you want, you know, you can add your accessories and whatever you want to add to kind of customize it. and make it like yours, you know what I mean? I feel like over the next couple of days I am going to be adding more hair, because I wanted something kind of grungy, kind of, you know, just matty. I don't know how to describe that, but yeah, that's what I originally wanted. I ended up dipping these locks in hot water, which is not something that I normally do, but I did not want the weight, so I was trying to reduce some of that weight, which it did help, but I still feel like I want to kind of, you know, fix it a little bit, tweak it a little bit. Not really, just like a little bit, like a little bit. And it's pretty long, guys, like it's pretty long. Here is a close-up of the color and a texture shot so you guys can see what it looks like up close. Let me try styling it a little bit. Some type of top knot bun type style. So these locks, like, don't sleep on them. They're hella versatile, guys. Like, hella versatile. They're not stiff. The second you get them, you can style them. They're good like that.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. Getting some more elastic bands and securing my bun. Okay guys, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now what I want you guys to see is I'm going very hard for you this year. I'm going very hard for you. I'm sacrificing a lot. I'm doing my very best. So I want you guys to show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing this video with your friends, and also if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so that I can keep bringing more videos to you guys. It is like 2 in the morning at this point, and I'm doing this for you guys, okay? And I want you guys to show me that you appreciate me doing this, because it's taking a lot of sacrifice and I really need my play button this year, guys. Pretty please help a girl out, okay? Yeah, but definitely loads of new content coming your way, and I am super excited. Like, I just can't tell you, but we can't show how excited I'm right now. I'm excited, just tired. Color details and everything will be in the description bar. Everything you need will be in the description bar. If you're in Jamaica and you want to book, booking information will be in the description bar as well. Follow me on all my socials at NaturallyMsToya to keep up with me, and that's Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, okay? And also TikTok. My TikTok name is down in the description bar too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Mwah. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.